Yashwanth and you're watching Yashwanth Speaks. Today I'm back with a new grammar lesson and our lesson for today is modal verbs. There are many modal verbs in English, but I chose the modal verb could, and we are going to see all the modal verbs in our upcoming videos. So let's jump into the video. We can use the modal verb could in many different places, but I brought you 5 scenarios where we can use the modal verb could. So I'll read out all the 5 scenarios and you should also repeat with me. And our first scenario is ability, second is request, third is suggestion, fourth is possibility, and the last but not the least, our fifth one is permission. The first scenario where we can use the modal verb could is ability. I could play guitar like a guitar professional. So here I'm telling about my ability that I can play guitar like a professional. So let's see the second scenario. A second scenario is request. Could you please pass on the TV remote to me? Because I need to change the channel. So here I'm requesting someone. I'm asking something to someone. So I'm using the modal verb could. The third scenario where I can use the modal verb could is suggestion. We use the modal verb could to suggest or for giving ideas to someone. I think you could solve this problem easily in this way. So here I am suggesting an idea to a friend or someone. Our fourth scenario is possibility. I am going to tell a sentence for possibility. It could rain today. Here I am telling a possible something which can be possible because it is cloudy. Now let's see a sentence for the scenario permission. Mama, could you please permit me to play with my friends? So here I'm asking a permission from someone, so I use the modal verb could. So here we saw 5 scenarios and a modal verb could. So you should also use the modal verb could in all these 5 possible scenarios. And I'll repeat what all are the 5 possible scenarios. It is ability, request, suggestion, possibility and permission. So bye friends. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.